Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making baby back ribs on my brand new Weber Kettle. So we get to break this in, and we're going against my old nemesis, these baby back ribs. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can get the alerts on all we're doing. Alright, stick around. Like I said, I'm going to go against my old nemesis, these baby back ribs. I have a couple fail videos in there. I'll do links for them up here. And you kind of see that, you know, they're giving me a little bit of trouble in the past. Alright, this time I think I got them beat. I got my brand new Weber Kettle that I got for an early Father's Day gift. Excited to use it. We're going to break it in using these bad boys. We're going to use some bone sucking sauce seasoning for the rub on the outside. I'm going to cook these for a couple hours offset. You know, so I'm going to put on my charcoal to one side. I'm going to put some wood chips over the top. Probably some apple wood chips over the top of the coals. Cook it offset. Smoke it up. Bring it in after an hour, hour and a half, maybe two, or just kind of depending on the temp. I'm going to put them in some tinfoil with a little honey, a little brown sugar, a little apple juice, wrap it up tight, finish it on the grill. It should be just nice and lovely by the time we get done. Okay? Come on back. We'll be on the grill and we'll put these bad boys together. Alright, come on back. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Look at that color, the flavor, the shine. Oh, so good. Come on back and I'll show you how I put this together. Alright guys, here we got the ingredients for our baby back ribs. Got some bone sucking sauce for the seasoning, some local honey, brown sugar, and apple juice that we're going to put on there after we have it smoking for a little bit. Alright, and some Reynolds wrap for when we wrap it up. Come on back. It's so exciting. Got our first cook on my Weber Kettle. Burning, smoke's getting in my eyes. Alright guys, got some applewood chips on the coals. Got it up about 250 right now. And we're gonna let these things just smoke for a while. Right, come on back. Alright guys, we're in the backyard. Just wanted to brag about what a beautiful Southern California day it is. It's about what, 75? 72. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright guys, we're going to take these off the grill and wrap them. Put that over there. Ooh, look at that color. Ooh, looks nice. Alright guys, we're back. We have the ribs off the grill. They've been smoking for almost 2 hours now. So now we're going to wrap them. I got some brown sugar and some local SoCal honey on there. Alright. I'm going to double wrap these in heavy duty aluminum foil. Going to put just a little bit of apple juice in the bottom there. Wrap these up real tight. Whoa. Wrap these up real tight and get them on the grill. Alright. Come on back and we'll unwrap these and sauce them up. Alright guys, we're back. These are looking delicious. Look at how good that looks. Alright guys, we're going to take these and put them back on the grill. Show the bend right there. We're going to put these back on the grill real quick, baste them with the little sauce in here, and we're going to call it a day. Come on back. Alright guys, here's the drippings, the juices from the wrap. So I'm just going to glaze it with this stuff. Alright, I'm going to get a little fire on this, a little heat. Little char, be good to go. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. I am so excited. I think I finally beat my nemesis, these baby back ribs. I got me a decent kettle grill, Weber Kettle grill. Smoked these bad boys for 5 hours. We're gonna find out together if I beat my nemesis. Of course, you know I got the fine china for that backyard cooking. All right, here we go. It's tender, juicy looking. Wow. good Lord, that's good. I beat you. That's right. I'm freaking excited. All right. This is awesome. It's not falling off the bone. You gotta work a little bit. You gotta get that bite in there. But I bet we go through all these real quick. So good. Listen, through this whole cook, I was contacting one of my barbecue buddies, Kent at Daddy Dutch Cooking and Grilling. He is the man for helping me walk me through this. His link's below. All right, give him some love. He's a competition cooker, so I knew he was the right guy to go to. All right, I'm excited. It finally worked. I guess I just needed the right equipment and a bit of patience, because I didn't have patience the first couple times. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna have a beer here, have a cigar out there. All the kids are going nuts for Memorial Day weekend out there swimming. I'm even a little wet from throwing one of the kids in. So it's good times. All right, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.